Okay, am I recording?
Looks like it.
Okay. Hi everyone, it's Elizabeth here, and today we're going to do an unboxing. The Straw Family Farm from Oklahoma. As you know, they won one of my giveaways, and I sent them some stuff from the BCSPCA. So they said that they would send some stuff back. So today in the mail, I got a box of unboxing. Of course, I have my film expert, my husband Roy, filming this. So what I want to do is we're going to open up this box and we're going to see what this box contains. Can you see the box in the camera?
I can see the box on the camera.
Just got home from my volunteer work at the SPCA. He sent me a message that said that this parcel came. So we're going to open it up. Hopefully it gets open someday.
Yeah, leaning quite a bit.
What?
Yeah, leaning quite a bit.
Sorry, I was leaning quite a bit.
Yeah,
My husband's very fussy.
I'm the director.
He's the director.
This will be the middle.
What?
This will be the Roy. I'm just
Don't want to show you the top with the address and my address. It says to Elizabeth Perron and Be the Cat. Doesn't say to Roy, so he's been bad, you know.
Yeah.
So, whoops.
Yeah, whoops.
Roy always says whoops a lot.
Because I do whoops a lot.
And he says his favorite words are whoops and ow.
Yeah.
And he says ow all the time, and I wonder what's going wrong, and he's nothing wrong. Anyway, I'll get it open eventually.
One day.
And then you can see what's in this box. People shouldn't take stuff up so hurt.
No.
Go. Okay. Oh, maybe now we can open it up. Can you still see the box?
I can still see the box.
Open it up. Okay, read me first. So I'm going to see if I can read this. I might not be able to read this on camera. But we'll see. Oh, okay. I can read this. I am sorry for this. It's so late. The soap, lotion bar, and lip balm are all natural and for you. It is goat's milk soap. To Be the Cat, your own garden to enjoy. We love you both. The Straw Family Farm.
Nice.
There was nothing I couldn't say there for you folks to hear. So I'm opening up the box. And let's see what we've got. Well, I'm going to take out the biggest thing first. Which is, oh, it looks nice. It's Kitty's Garden.
Ooh.
Old sweet rye barley.
Ooh.
So Pea can have her own cat grass.
Wow.
Aids with digestion.
Yay.
Helps prevent hair fall. Includes durable wood planter.
Oh.
Yeah. So
Yes. Nice.
that looks really nice. And then we've got the other thing. So this must be the soap. It's Straw Family Farm on it.
Oh. Nice.
Soap. And then we've got the other things. We got a lotion bar, all natural lotion bar. And we've got some lip balm.
Ooh.
So I'd like to thank Straw Family Farm for all these things, and I will post the link to their channel with this video. So take care everyone, and God bless.